Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video I will teach you how to edit videos for YouTube. So if you don't have PC, you can edit your videos on your smartphone like Android or iPhone. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the CapCut, and you have to download this application in your phone. I have already downloaded and installed it on my phone. So once you will do it, after that you can see this type of the front end. Simply you have to click on the new project, and now you have to select any video you want to edit. Now video is here, you can edit from here. Select this, and if you want to crop any part of the video, you can click on the split to delete it. Now you can also add a text from here in this way. Moreover, this is the best application. You have to learn about this application, and once you will do it, on the right top you will see arrow. Just click on it to export it for the YouTube. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.